Can you post it on YouTube?
Yes. Go. Ew, you're spitting on me with your black saliva from the freaking Oreos. Oh my gosh. Ew.
It's like crayon.
They are crayons.
I don't care. I want it to taste like tacos.
Rip those apart. Oh my gosh. Matthew could have used this poster. You're using a jacket.
I don't think he wanted to use this shit. I'm dying. Are you still filming?
That thing came out red. Ew. I spit out red mixed with Oreo, man. Hey, chew the blue one. Chew the blue one.
Yeah.
Spit. No, chew, bite, and then chew, and then spit.
Mommy, I'm done with my dinner.